Okay, so you need to add all the exponents and the answer will be x raised to the 10th power. Okay, very good. Next. Ito naman. So they have the same base. So you just need to copy the same base and then add all the exponents. So 14, very good. Next. Try this one. What's the answer? So you need to multiply the numbers first. Okay, mga digits. And then you need to add the exponent kasi pareho naman sila ng variable. Okay? So that is good. How about this one? What are you going to do? You need to multiply first all the digits. Okay, very good. Is it only 6? Does x have only 6 raised only to the 6th power? So we have 5, 1. This has an invisible 1. And this one is 4. So ilan lahat ng x's? Very good. Next. Okay, so we have yung y naman, 3. Ito 3, so 6. And then 2, 7, 8. Very good. And then yung z, 4. Okay, tama. How about this one with a negative number? Tama. So you need to multiply first all the digits, including the sign. So this one is negative 4 times positive 5. So the result is negative 20. And then you add the exponent. Okay. Next. What are you going to do? So what is now your answer? Okay, so you need to multiply first -3 and -2. Okay, that's correct. And then you added all the exponents of A. So this one has an invisible 1. Ito naman na may 2. So tama to, may 3. And si B naman, merong 2 na exponent. Ito naman ay may 4. Okay, very good. Ito si C ay mayroong 3 at mayroong 4. Okay, tama. Next, let's go to another law of exponent. Power of powers. So, ibig sabihin naman nito, may sariling power. Look, itong nasa loob ng quantity, may sarili siyang exponent. At ito, dito sa labas, meron din siyang sariling exponent. If that happens, you just need to multiply itong dalawa. Why? Because ito, nagsasabi itong nandito sa labas, how many times you are going to multiply itong nandito sa loob ng quantity. So for example, you have 2 squared, the quantity of 2 squared raised to the second power. Oh, what does this mean? What does this mean? Okay, you need to multiply yung nasa loob ng parentheses ng 2 beses. Kasi yun ang ibig sabihin ng exponent sa labas. Okay? Yun ang ibig sabihin nito. So, ganyan yan pag in-expand mo. At kapag ito, in-expand natin, look, what will happen? 2 times 2 square is equal to 4. At itong 2 square din is equal to 4. And 4 times 4 is equal to 16. Okay? Ito naman, tingnan natin. Pag minultiply natin itong dalawa, it will be 2 raised to the 4th power. And 2 raised to the 4th power, okay, is it equal to 16? Okay, tama. It is equal to 16 because this one is 4. Ito naman ay 8. And 8 times 2 is equal to 16. Okay? Any questions? Okay, try this one. So yan ay 2 raised to the 4th power, which is also equal to 16. Okay, very good. Next. How about that one? So, ibig sabihin yan, minultiply natin, di ba, yung exponent. We need to multiply the exponent, not add it. So, don't be confused. Look at that. Tingnan mo nga. Diba, we need to multiply 3 times 2. Oh. And 3 times 2 is equal to, is it 5? What? 3 times 2? You don't know 3 times 2? Oh, what is 3 times 2? Okay, 6. Why is it 5? Bakit 5 to? Okay, and 3 raised to the 6th power is? Okay. The answer is what? 729. Okay? So you need to multiply 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, 6 times. Okay? Next. How about this one? Okay, very good. So 4 raised to the 40th power, okay? Next. How about this? Five raised to the 5 times 20 is equal to 5 raised to the 100 power. Very good. Next. So this one is x raised to the 25th power. Very good. Next. This one is n raised to the 24th power. Very good. Ito naman, this one is the power of a product. Okay? So, ibig sabihin naman nito, etong nandito naman sa loob ng quantity, okay, you are going to distribute all the exponents doon sa loob. Okay? Kaya ang mangyayari niyan, dinistribute mo to, si n exponent dito kay a. So, ang answer mo ay a raised to the nth power at b raised to the nth power. Example, 2a squared. The quantity of 2a squared. So, what are you going to do pag ganito nakita mo? You need to distribute everything. So, it will be equal to 2 squared and a squared. Okay, 2 squared is 4. Okay, so the answer will be 4a squared. Okay, did you get it? Okay. Try this one. Oh yeah, that was already an answer. So, ito, minultiply lang natin and then just get the value of 2 squared, which is 4, so 4x squared. Okay? Next, how about this one? So, very good. You distributed the exponent dun sa bawat isa doon sa quantity. And 3 cubed is equal to 27. And then y cubed, z cubed. Okay, that's good. Try this one. Okay, so dinistribute mo rin yung exponent dun sa labas, dito sa bawat isa, dito sa loob. So what is 5 raised to the 5th power? So you need to multiply 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, and that is 3,125. Okay? Okay, next. How about this one? Okay. So, in-apply natin dito kanina yung power of powers. So, we distributed here itong 5th power dito sa 7. And then, may power din ito nandito sa loob. So, kailangan mo i-multiply yan. So, A raised to the 10th power, and this one, B, is raised to the 15th power. Okay, next. What about quotient of powers? Ano naman yung quotient of powers? Kung mas malaki si m, yung exponent ni m, okay, i-minus mo lang. For example, you have a cubed all over a squared. So, sino mas malaki? Si 3 o si 2? Okay, nandito siya sa numerator. So, your answer will be in the numerator 2. So, 3 minus 2 is equal to a raised to the first power, or just simply a. Okay? Let's try another one. How about this? So you need to subtract 5 minus 3. So what's left is a squared. Okay, good. How about this one? 14. 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6 is it 14? Okay, very good. X raised to the 9th power because 15 minus 6 is 9. Next, how about this? Two R raised to the 7th power. Okay, very good. Now, this is another condition in quotient of powers. What if m ay equal sa n? For example, a cubed over a cubed. So, pag minus mo yan, 3 minus 3, it will be a raised to the 0 power. And a raised to the 0 power will always be equal to 1. Okay? So let's try this one. What? Ano answer dyan? 2 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, diba? Get their GCF. So 1 over 1. And then x cubed and x cubed. So it will be x raised to the 0 power. And kung natira 1 over 1, it will always be equal to 1. Okay? Next. How about this one? That's your answer? Okay. So, pag minultiply mo to, okay, so order of operations, unahin mo to, no? Kasi this one has a parenthesis. Tanggalin natin yung parenthesis niya. 4 times 3, you have 12. And then, yung exponent sila, you just need to add. And, look at that. You have the same 12y to the fifth. So 12 divided by 12 is 1. Y fifth divided by y fifth is also 1. And 1 over 1 is also equal to 1. Okay? Next. What if mas malaki si n? Mas malaki si n. For example, a raised a cubed over a to the fifth power. So you need to subtract, diba? So 3 minus 5, it will be equal to a to negative 2. Okay? Okay. Sige nga, practice mo nga to. So very good. 2 minus 6 is equal to negative 4. Next. So, you need to distribute muna yung mga exponents, ano? So, the answer will be, what will be the answer? So, 2 minus 6 is equal to r raised to the negative 4 and s raised to the negative 2. Very good. Now, let's have the power of a quotient. What is the power of a quotient? So, ito na naman ulit yung quantity, but this time, you have a fraction here. Okay, so you need to distribute the exponents dito sa dalawang yan. For example, 2/3, the quantity of 2/3 raised to the second power. So, kapag inansweran mo yan, it will be 2 squared over 3 squared. And the answer will be 4 over 9. Okay? Next. Can you try this one? Okay, so distribute mo y squared over y, x squared over y squared. Now let's go to our zero exponent. Zero exponent will always be equal to 1. Okay? Next, how about the negative exponent? Okay, na-experience mo to kanina. Negative exponent means kapag meron kang negative, at gusto mong gawin itong positive, okay, kailangan mo siyang ilagay sa denominator kasi ibig sabihin, mas malaki kasi yung exponent sa ibaba. Okay? Di ba katulad kanina, mas malaki yung exponent dun sa baba. So, iaayos mo lang siya. Lalagay mo lang siya ulit dun sa denominator niya. Okay? Did you understand? Next. Oh, how about this one? What is the correct position of x raised to negative 2? Kaya siya negative kasi hindi naman yan yung pwesto niya eh. Okay, very good. So, nasa baba siya. So, happy na siya. Naging positive na. Okay? Next. Oh, how about this one? Very good. So, happy na rin siya. Positive na siya. Okay, so try to solve this one. Solve it on the board. Okay, so kuha na natin picture and then send it to me. Send it to me via Messenger, okay? So take a photo of this one. And then, so solve natin to next time, okay?